Good morning, YouTube. It's a Saturday. Also, I got the black hair, no more blonde. I look like a Filipino uncle now, especially with all this gel. But today's gonna be a special day. We're gonna buy a KBD kit. No, I'm just kidding. We're actually gonna go pick up the rest of my complete Type X kit. In my last vlog, I mentioned that I already picked up a bumper. So this is an OEM kouki Type X bumper with a dorky dory lip. I also have the dorky dory ABS plastic Type X rear valences, which the quality is just top notch. And now we're gonna buy an OEM wing, full Type X tails, and a dorky dory Type X side skirt. Which of course, dorky dory is like the Halo aftermarket OE replacement body part specialist, I guess. I'm gonna be going to Hamilton shop afterwards to show Kai and Hamilton. They're gonna be there, and I'm excited to just get their reaction because I've been talking about this kit forever.
Everything PBM, and I have 326 power coilovers.
All right, I just copped all this stuff. Dude was super cool, and I think I got a pretty good deal. So let's go to Hamilton shop and link up with the dudes. Show them the goodies. Actually, we're about to pull up to Kai's house. We're like 2 minutes away, so we'll get his reaction of the Type X stuff. What's up? Just washed the whip.
Yep, Mr. Side Rails.
Beanied up today. Beanied up today. What's that? What's that?
Dude, it's the headlight restorer.
Oh, you about to do that right now? You want to see the kit now, or you want to see it later? Do you want to see it later?
It's in there right now.
It's in there right now.
Cool. Now, well, let me see it at the same time Hamilton sees it.
Okay, bet.
Have you ever used these?
No.
Weird tail lights or headlights.
That stuff's actually working, scraping off all the dust and dirt.
Yeah, bro. And all y'all in the comments, if y'all are like, use the taper on the paint, like, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck right now.
Just moved the FRS out of the driveway. I love these cars. Modern 240 is what they say, and I agree. Let me know, should I get one of these? It's my next car. If I were to sell the 240 or even the Z, I'd replace it with something more modern like this or an S2000. What do you think? What up?
What's going on? Is it blue? Oh, it's blue.
Oh, it's like jet black, so in order to make it really dark, they add blue to the... Yeah, so in the sun, it looks blue. All right, so we're here at Hamilton shop. I'm gonna do a little haul. You know, the ladies like to do a little shopping haul. In this case, I'm a dude doing a little car parts haul, so check it out. Fit all of this stuff in the S13 hatch. Starting with the center garnish, which is necessary. It goes right here in order to fit the Type X tails. And it comes with the carbon Kevlar finisher piece, which I wasn't planning on running because I still think like this right here is like the bread and butter, and then having this is just like a plus. But since it came with it, why not rock it, right? Looks sick.
Honestly.
And then also we have, yep, as I mentioned, the kouki taillights. Ooh. I was gonna go with the Enjuku J Replace ones because they look very similar and they are plug and play, and that would have saved a lot of money because they're like half the price. But OEM is obviously the way to go if you can afford it, which I got a pretty good deal on these, and they already came with the conversion harness, so these will just plug in to my USDM connectors. Let's go there.
Hell yeah.
Next up, we have the last piece to the taillight conversion, which is this metal panel that goes right here. It looks very similar to the original one, but there's a small difference. One is this little shape right here. It's a lot sharper. And look at this little, see how there's a little indent right here? It's
I see it.
Small, very small indent. That's how you know that this is a kouki taillight, metal taillight panel. And this is necessary when you do the conversion. This alone, OEM from Nissan, is like 700 bucks. And I was planning on getting the reproduction one for like 60. But Came with I found it used for sale, and here we are. Got the OEM one.
Honestly, worth it. Let's go.
Hella worth it. You want to pause?
Yeah. It's rolling.
Moving on, we got the side skirts. These admittedly are not OEM, but that's okay with me because they're Dorky Dory. And Dorky Dory, in my opinion, is the only exception when it comes to body parts for the 240 or S13 or S chassis in general. So here's a Type X style side skirt. I already test fitted it, looks pretty good. Check it out. Quick mock-up, you know? Let's go.
Ooh. Fire.
Which is funny because we were at Up Garage like a month or two ago, and I bought the Chuki skirts, but I'm gonna have to sell those, or I don't know, maybe Hamilton needs them. Yeah.
Oh yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Very last piece to the puzzle, we got the Kouki Type X wing. This, I just did some research on the way here to verify that this is also OEM. And yeah, this is gonna be kind of sad to install because it requires a little bit of drilling. But you know what? To pull off the look, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? So
Honestly.
boom. It's gonna look crazy. You can't have this wing and not have the taillights.
I got you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, stand back.
Let me take it in. Let me take it in.
Yeah, good.
Dang. Check it out.
Jeez.
I already have the rear valence, and then I showed you the taillights, and then we have the front bumper, which I'm still kind of piecing together. I need like the lights and stuff, but otherwise we're paint away, and also the wheels coming in March from Japan. The container's coming around March, so
This thing's a lot bigger in person.
it's a big wing.
Yeah.
It's such an aggressive wing.
In photos, it makes it look so small.
Yeah. But also it's like, when it's mounted, it might look better.
Gotcha. That looks sick.
Oh yeah.
That's the haul.
Bro, good shit.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. Shout out Jedrik from reaching out via Kai and I's TikTok and giving me the
hookup.
Yeah, giving me the hookup on the homie that was selling all these parts. And thank you, Roman, who was selling the parts. Appreciate it a lot.
I might have a buyer for you for the wheels.
Type X skirts. On that note, so Kai just asked if I'm going to keep it red. I am going to keep it red. What I'm torn on is whether or not I want to paint the A-pillar, because this whole black trim piece, a lot of red 240s, they have that red. Mine's black. And part of that is also the mirror. So I'll place a photo up here of what it looks like kitted out, I guess, while maintaining the black accents. But it also looks really good with red mirror and red pillar.
Okay. Take the cars out. That one looks really good.
Yeah, that's how it looks good.
That's it?
Yeah.
I just put this on.
Do mine next. Straight glizzy, bro. Glizzy goblin.
Put that in the vlog.
The vlog is done. Goodbye. 500 subs coming soon. 1 week, 2 weeks, 2 months? I don't know.
I'll say.
Right at end of December.
I'm at like 450.
End of the month.
End of the month?
End of the month.
All right, guys, get me to 500 before 2025ai.
I got you right here. Yeah, I'm not doing myself.
If he eats that in one bite, you have to subscribe.
Yeah.
No, I was kidding. All right.